How to connect n8n with Lovable. In order to connect n8n with Lovable, all we have to do is make sure to launch the Lovable application on our device. Once we've launched the Lovable app, tap on the three lines or the menu icon from the top left of the screen, and when we've done that, tap on your profile photo from the bottom. And when we come to this page, you'll find an option called Connectors. All you have to do is make sure to just tap on this Connectors option, and within the search bar you want to simply search for n8n. Now n8n actually refers to node-based workflow automation platform, and if you want to connect it, you just want to select this right here and tap on this option called Add Connection to finalize the changes. This way you can basically change your Lovable. This way you can basically connect your n8n with Lovable. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.